Walk lightly in the spring. Mother Earth is pregnant. When a man moves away from nature, his heart becomes hard. Be aware of the man who does not talk and the dog that does not bark. You are stronger than you think and braver than you believe. Keep pushing forward. Every storm eventually passes and the sun will shine on you again. Embrace the present moment, for it is all we truly have. Let go of what you can't control and focus on what you can change. You are not defined by your mistakes, but by how you rise after them. Believe the power of your dreams. They hold the key to your happiness. In the face of adversity, remember that you have survived every tough day until now. The path to healing starts with self-compassion and acceptance. Choose love over fear and watch your world transform. See out the simple joys in life. They are often the most profound. Not every sweet fruit gives birth to sweet grass. Take only what you need and leave the land as you found it. Your story is still being written. Embrace the unknown with curiosity and excitement. Take a deep breath and remember that this moment is temporary. Better days are ahead. It is better to have less thunder in the mouth and more lightning in the hand. All who have died are equal. When you are in doubt, be still and wait. When doubt no longer exists for you, then go forward with courage. Wisdom comes only when you stop looking for it and start living the life the Creator intended for you. Our pleasures are shallow and our sorrows are deep. A woman who pursues a man for sex loses her spiritual beauty. It does not require many words to speak the truth. Remember that your children are not your own but lent to you by Creator. Thank you for watching.